Hi and welcome to this fourth video in the series about Horizon DaaS. Together with me is a special guest, it's Matthijs from UniServer.
Yeah.
And today we're going to talk about Horizon DaaS networking. Matthijs, you already drew a lot of components on the board.
Yes, I did.
What would you like to explain to us today?
I want to explain the Horizon DaaS networking. We have draw some things already, like the vCenter components, the ASX host, and what you need for it. Yeah, the best practice is to have two separate vCenters.
Right, so a vCenter for
the management cluster.
Right, so this is a complete separate management data center, basically.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, yeah.
Here we have your tenant appliances and your resource managers.
Right, okay.
And the next one is the workload cluster, so that's where you connect your VDI.
Right, so
desktops,
basically the virtual desktops are running on this cluster, on this virtual data center,
correct.
And the management workloads are running there. Basically the same as how we would do that in a Horizon environment as well. There you would split up the connection service on the management environment and the desktops on the VDI block, basically.
Yeah, correct. And then this one is a separate section for your day space servers and the management network.
Right, and these are the management workloads that you would use from a service provider perspective. So this isn't the AD that the tenant accounts are working in. This is the AD specifically for you guys to manage those components, right?
Manage the block indeed, yes, correct. Okay. And on this one you also have the service provider and resource manager. And it is connected to a non-routable backbone network.
Right.
Local network. And on that one you have the tenant appliance for the customers.
Okay.
So this is also a separate section where this is tenant appliances for the customer.
Right.
Here in blue. And so separate router, and connected to tenant appliances, the DMZ for the UAG.
Okay.
So you can connect to your desktops.
And this, specifically the tenant router is connected towards the internet.
Yeah, correct.
So these networks are reachable obviously through the internet. They're firewall, but you have to reach your desktop obviously, and your UAG from that part of the network.
You have a portal. The portal is connected to the UAG.
Okay.
And UAG will route you to the tenant appliance and then to your desktops. Okay. So you can connect to your VDI.
Okay, so from an end user perspective, if you would connect, how would that flow go?
Yeah, you will go this user or a group of users. And you go to the internet.
Right.
And then the router and the UAG.
Right.
The UAG will connect it through this one, and then to broker it to the desktop.
So the tenant appliance basically brokers your connection, but the connection itself will be tunneled from the UAG directly to the desktop.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah, it's not. Okay. If this fails, you can still have a connection if you connect it.
Yeah.
So that's how it works for the customer.
And if you would look from the IT partner perspective, how would that connection flow go?
Yeah, this will like this. Exactly the same way.
Right.
This one goes to the UAG.
Okay.
And to the tenant appliance.
Right.
And it will be there because the admin environment is only tenant appliances.
Right. So that's a different URL. That lands on the same tenant appliances, but it stops there. It doesn't go to a desktop or something.
Right. Okay. So you can here configure your environment for the partner what you want.
Okay. Okay. And if you look at the service provider perspective, you guys need to manage the environment as well. Correct. How would you do that?
The flow, I will draw it for you. We'll go like this one, and then go to our service provider. From this way we can manage all the customers, because it's multi-tenancy.
Okay, so this is the service provider appliance.
Yeah, appliance.
And that's where you will generate new tenants and manage them and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so thank you, Matthijs.
Yeah, you're welcome.
If you guys have any more questions about Horizon DaaS networking or Horizon DaaS in general, please reach out to Matthijs. Here is his email address. And for now, thanks for watching and see you next time.